Okay. Um, Quickly gonna film this video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's actually probably tomorrow for you guys watching this video because it's midnight right here. It's 12 a.m. in my country while I'm filming this video. By the time I'm gonna upload this video, it's gonna be probably like, I don't know, like maybe 10 minutes. Later I'm gonna film maybe like 10 minutes. Uploading process gonna take about another 10 minutes, inshallah, maybe inshallah less. So quickly, day 88 or day 89 of trying to become a millionaire, and we have good news. I first said 88. Okay, so how many days we have tried so far to make progress, and alhamdulillah, I can't say 88 days later. It took a lot longer process, and on the way to get to this point where okay, two good news. First, I accomplished nearly everything I have planned for today. There are some minor things and there are some major things which I have planned for today, and basically every single day I have like two major things I want to do, and like other minor things like reading a book, Duolingo, boxing, gym, doing push-ups, vlogging is one of my major things, I think, because it's like a challenge which I accepted. It's like a challenge. It's like Duolingo is not a challenge for me. This vlogging stuff is a challenge for me. DMing people every day is a challenge for me. And yeah, so I memorized new surat al surat al let me give me a second. It's 12 a.m. Okay, so I'm sorry, my brain is cooked. What you call it? Would you name it? Surat al Surat al Ma'un. Yeah, Surat al Ma'un. The last ayah says وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ, so it's Surat al Ma'un. Okay, big achievement. Read this surah for 25 times, memorized it, and this is one big achievement because for like last 2-3 days I was planning to do it, but I was skipping it because it takes quite a while to memorize new surah from start to finish. I'm sorry. And same applies for doing my front-end classes. They take a while. They take like 2 hours of dedicated work. Sit down, put your ass into one place, and like from like 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. just freaking concentrated coding. And I don't I don't know, maybe because I'm at home and like I like to get distracted. I don't know, for me like 2 hours of dedicated work is a lot harder than 1 hour dedicated work. It's like it doesn't mean that I don't work dedicated to one thing. It's just in one single day spend like 2 hours straight on one thing, kind of hard, working from home. But I'm not making excuses. I still completed my front-end classes today. So today classes wasn't 2 hour long classes. Well, it was about like 1 hour long classes, about like that. So 1 hour of front-end classes and about 1 hour of memorizing new surah of Quran from start to finish, alhamdulillah. And in addition to this, I read Quran, I read the book, about time management and deadlines and how to manage projects. Um, I'm vlogging at the present moment. I DM'd 25 people out of 50 I planned, but I'm sorry, it's 12 a.m. I need to. I still DM'd some people, so something is better than nothing. I was afraid that I'm not gonna DM or manage to DM people today at all, but I DM'd at least 25 people. I even applied for a coding job. Um, so I applied for one here. I think I think maybe three coding jobs. I applied on like different resources on this website, on that website, talk to this person, talk to that person. So about like maybe two or three coding jobs. Applied, 25 people DM'd, two books read, Quran and book called Deadline. Um, Front end classes completed, vlogging made, uh, new surah of Quran memorized, Duolingo 15 minutes of learning spent. I spent, and what else? Yeah, probably the most exciting thing, which I have to say, because this is gonna take me a little while. I'm sorry, it's gonna take big portion of my time tomorrow. I'm gonna go to a coding interview. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. It's 12 a.m. I'm too tired to even be happy, honestly. I'm just so thankful. I'm happy. Alhamdulillah. I don't know how to express my thankfulness to God and my happiness, because today at about 6:30 p.m., just 10 or 20 minutes before iftar, one guy messaged me from the I don't remember the company's name, but it was some kind of software company, offering me front-end React JS field as an intern. So I asked him if after internship they're gonna give me a job, and he said yes. Internship is for from 1 month up to 3 months period, depending on how good I'm gonna work. And from there, if I'm gonna pass through internship, inshallah, and I hope I'm gonna pass through internship, they can give me a full-time job, inshallah. I don't know about full-time job, and I don't know if it's gonna be full-time, because I'm studying at school right now. We might agree to only part-time, and honestly, if they're gonna pay even half of my salary for now, even $200 can change my life, honestly. For $200 I can pay for my gym and pay for my Arabic classes, and I'm gonna be so 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 glad and happy, even for $200 a month, honestly. But Allah knows better. I don't know, like maybe they're gonna pay me more than $200, and I honestly, I hope for the best. But I'm just so happy and I'm so glad that this happened, because today I was feeling so guilty and so sad, and I was feeling guilty about the fact that I'm here work I'm here at home, in home, and my mom is out there working in some kind of job which she doesn't enjoy working, and she doesn't like working that job. But the only reason why she's working that job is because she has me, and she cannot afford to work a job which she likes, or she cannot change her job to some kind of other job. But because the period of time which she might spend in between, you know, jumping from one job to another might be, months, and she can't afford months and months to, not buy food and stuff. We don't my mom is not financially educated to create a financial pillow. My mom is not financially educated that, she can search for a job on the side. Like, she's just a normal mom. She's not trying to be a businesswoman. She's not trying to be anyone like all of these, people who made it. She just want to sustain for me. And it stick to my head today for a while, and I spend, a lot of my time just thinking about this. Maybe I should go. I know how to speak English very well, and I'm in non-English speaking countries, so I thought to myself, maybe I should go and tutor people to speak English and make money this way, because I'm feeling guilty that my mom is working the work which she doesn't like just to sustain to me, and I'm here at home. um, I forgot the fact that I'm at home but learning, how to code, running my web design agency and trying to find clients every day, trying to find salespeople, trying to make this shit happen. Basically, I'm trying to make my agency, like work, my YouTube channel work, and I try to learn to code. I'm trying to learn languages. I'm trying to make it. I'm trying to succeed. Basically, from like, as you can see from this video, and I felt bad about it because no matter, I just forgot the fact that I'm working even if I'm at home, um, because I was doing what I love to do. Maybe that's the reason why I forget it, because if you do something which you hate to do, you are gonna remember about it. Like, you're gonna literally remember it, like for your lifetime. But I enjoy coding, maybe not 100%, but at least 50% or 40% out of time. I like doing this shit, and I believe that this thing, this skill, this stuff has a future, and this thing is gonna make me money, and this thing can give me ability to create whatever I want. And that's why I like coding, even if I struggle to learn it. I struggle to learn Arabic, but I know that this thing has future. I love learning languages. I love learning how to code. I love my business. I like creating websites, and this is what I sell. This is what my service is. I like making videos, and that's why I enjoy making YouTube videos. Saying like or love, it's just, rephrasing. um, I don't hate doing it, because at certain extent and certain level you have to have discipline. You have to have this, you know how to say that, fuck this kind of motivation. Because sometimes I, like today, at this present moment at 12 a.m., at midnight, I don't have a motivation, or I don't want to film this vlog, but I'm filming this vlog anyway, right? I'm you know I have a dedication and I have a discipline, but um, at certain extent, maybe 10%, maybe it's 30%, maybe 40%, or maybe even 50%, I like fucking doing this thing. I like talking to camera, and I like reading your comments, and I like reading, what kind of things you write, in DM to me. And I like learning to code, and I like the fact that through learning to code, maybe not today, but one day, you're gonna be able to create whatever kind of stuff you want on the internet, and people are gonna be able to use it. I like that. I like that feeling. I like this idea. Even the idea itself is so enjoyable to think about it, that you can create stuff that people then can watch and use and consume. Isn't it beautiful? Like, programmer, someone who makes something, who creates something. The YouTuber is someone who creates something, in particular videos. um what else? A business owner, is an entrepreneur, is someone who creates stuff. I am entrepreneur, I am programmer, I am YouTuber, I am, you know what else? I don't know, like, yeah, probably that's it. So I said that, yeah, okay, tomorrow at 3 p.m. I need to go to the coding interview. And I hope that I'm gonna get through this coding interview, inshallah. And I'm gonna get to the internship, 1 month of internship. I'm gonna relearn a lot of skills which I forgot, because it's been 3-4 months since I graduated from coding bootcamp. And okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna share more stuff tomorrow, inshallah, for a wake head, because my brain is cooked right now. Okay, peace.